Welcome to the Colorado School of Mines.
We are the Counseling Center and want you to know we are here to help as you navigate your journey at Mines.
We are located on the second floor of the Student Wellness Center on Elm Street and are available to assist you Monday through Friday, 8 to 5.
We offer individual consultations, skills seminars, emotional well-being workshops, short-term counseling, care coordination, and more.
Check out our website at counseling.mines.edu for updated information, including available services, resources, programs, and events.
You can also find self-care tips, take anonymous mental health screenings, and get connected with a variety of self-help platforms designed to help you thrive.
Be sure to follow us on Instagram at wellness@mines for wellness tips and notifications of upcoming events.
You can reach us by email at counseling@mines.edu or by phone at 303-273-3377.
Again, welcome to Mines. We're excited you're here.
Hi again, welcome. We want to introduce ourselves a little bit more to you from all of us here at the Counseling Center, and we're going to share some self-care tips as well, just to give you some ideas of how to take care of you as you are here at Mines. So my name is Lauren Jensen. I use pronouns she, her, hers. I'm the outreach coordinator at the Counseling Center, and what that means is you can find me out and about on campus doing some mental health awareness events. I also help students know about our services, and I work with the peer educators and the Active Minds at Mines Club. One of my favorite self-care tips, aside from coffee, is practicing some mindfulness. And one way, if you're interested in that, is to check out Mindful Mondays every Monday at 3 o'clock in the library. I'd love to see you there.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Hannon, she, her, hers. I'm the Associate Director of the Counseling Center. I meet with students. I also oversee some of our clinical programming. And the self-care tip that I cannot do without is laughter. I cannot get through the day without laughing multiple times, and I find it really just helps bring balance to my life. And so I encourage you all to watch a funny video, hang out with each other, and just look at some of the lighter things in life sometimes.
Hello, my name is Sandra Sims. My pronouns are she, her, hers, and I serve as the director of the Counseling Center. I oversee all of our operations and service delivery to students. My self-care tip is getting outside. Get outside, look up, take a deep breath, and just appreciate the beauty around us that's on our campus and in Colorado.
Hi, my name is Sterling Fabinsky. I'm the Assistant Director of Training at the Counseling Center. I meet with students for sessions as well as supervise our clinical counseling interns. My pronouns are she, her, hers. And one tip that I use a lot is just to get outside and go for a walk around campus, look at our beautiful surroundings, the beautiful Colorado sky and the mountains. We're really lucky to live in such a beautiful place.
Hi, I'm Rick Cohen. I'm a university counselor, pronouns he, him, his. And I meet with clients, students at the Counseling Center. I also do workshops and office hours. And my tip that's really helpful for me is developing a really good structured routine that involves healthy eating, exercise, having regular bedtimes and wake up times. That's it.
Hi, I'm Julie Price. I'm the case manager for the Counseling Center. Pronouns she, her, hers. And I can help coordinate care and help you find resources in the community or on campus. My favorite thing to do for self-care is to use aromatherapy. I think it can really help relaxation and set the mood.
Hi, I'm Dorothy Demers, she, her, hers pronouns. I'm a counselor at the Counseling Center as well, so I do individual sessions, I run seminars and workshops, and then you'll also see me on our Instagram feed for Wellness Wednesdays, where I just bring little tips and tricks to your day. I think my favorite self-care tip is to incorporate breathing exercises into your daily routine as just a nice quick reset. So my very favorite is square breathing, and you can find more about how to do square breathing by finding our U portal, so u.minds.edu, and you can also access it through Trailhead.
Hi, I'm Jeremiah Harburg, and I work at our front desk. And my tip is to, at least once an hour, take a 5-minute break away from your computer. And if you can, of course, get outside. I like to go for walks down Clear Creek, which is just north of campus. So welcome to Minds, and know we're here for you.